Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to be here with you for another episode focused on building your English skills. Today, we're talking about a special type of verb called modal verbs. If you're at an A2 level or beginner, this episode will help you understand what modal verbs are and how to use them in everyday English. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a modal verb? A modal verb is a type of helping verb that gives more meaning to the main verb by showing possibility, ability, permission, or necessity. Common modal verbs include can, could, may, might, should, and must. Modal verbs are always followed by a base verb and don't change form depending on the subject. Let's look at some examples to see how modal verbs work. If you want to talk about ability, you could say, I can swim. Here, can is a modal verb that shows you have the ability to swim. Or, if you're giving advice, you might say, you should study for the test. In this case, should is a modal verb suggesting something that's a good idea. If you're talking about a possibility, you might say, it might rain today. Here, might shows that rain is possible but not certain. In everyday conversations, modal verbs are really useful for expressing ideas clearly. For example, if you're making plans, you might say, we could go to the park later. Or if you're asking for permission, you could say, may I borrow your pen? Using modal verbs helps make your English sound natural and polite. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word today. I hope this breakdown of modal verbs was helpful and that you'll try using them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.